Hello friends, I am your Suresh. You are watching Errola Suresh YouTube channel. Friends, in this class, now I'll explain homologous organs and analogous organs. But before that, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press on bell icon and share it to your friends. Okay friends, let's move to the topic, homologous and analogous organs. What are homologous and analogous organs? These homologous organs and analogous organs, one of the best evidences for evolution. So to understand these homologous and analogous organs, very first we have to concentrate on the topic evolution. What does it mean by evolution? Evolution means continuous changes takes place in organisms. The continuous changes in organisms is called evolution. It is very long process, it is very broad process, and it is a continuous process. So evolution means it is a continuous process in which changes takes place continuously in the organisms. So in every generation some changes occur in organism, and the changes are passed on to the next generation. In next generation also some other changes occur in the organism, and again that changes also passed on to the next generation. Like this, from generation to generation, so many changes takes place in organisms and they are passed on to their offsprings also. This is what evolution. On this evolution, very first a scientist, Jean-Baptiste Lamarck, he proposed a theory. That theory was inheritance of acquired character. Jean-Baptiste Lamarck was the very first person who talked about evolution. He proposed a theory also on that evolution. And later on, after him, one more scientist, very famous scientist, Charles Darwin, also proposed a theory on evolution, that is natural selection theory. These two scientists, they talked about evolution very first. But how can we believe that evolution is really going on? Evolution takes place in organisms. How can we believe? We can believe simply by looking at the evidences. The evidences are homologous and analogous organs. For evolution, there are so many proofs, so many evidences. Out of all that evidences, the very first evidence for evolution is homologous organs and analogous organs. First, what are homologous organs? Homologous organs means the organs which are structurally same but functionally different. The organs having same structure but different functions are called homologous organs. And what are the examples for that organs? The examples are like this: hand of human being, and leg of cheetah, and forelimb of blue whale, and wings of bat. Just have a look at all these organs. All these organs are looking same. That means they are looking very closer to each other, and they are having same patterns, they are having same structures. Okay, like this, they are having very closer similarities in structure. So structurally all these are looking same, they have same structure. But what about their function? The functions are different. How? Hand of human being is used for multi-purposes, grasping or holding or doing any activity like that. It is used for many purposes. And the leg of cheetah, the main function of leg of cheetah is running, and the function of a forelimb of blue whale is swimming, and the function of wings of bat is flying. Like this, these organs are having same structure but different functions. These kind of organs are called homologous organs. And what we can understand by looking at homologous organs, we can think that all these organisms have developed from same ancestor. They have same parent in very beginning. But later on, due to some changes, all these organisms, they have developed other different characters also. Like that we can believe. Here, we can believe that all these organisms have developed from same ancestor. So this kind of evolution is called divergent evolution. Divergent evolution is an evolution which takes place in homologous organs. Okay, now let's move to analogous organs. What are analogous organs? Analogous organs means it is completely reverse to homologous organs. Analogous organs means the organs which are structurally different but functionally same. Here these organs are structurally same but they have different functions. But here these organs are structurally different but function is same. What are the examples for that organs? Wings of birds and wings of bat are the examples for analogous organs. How they have different structures? Let's look at the structure. Wings of birds are covered by feathers, and wings of bat are covered by skin folds or skin. and the skin folds present between the fingers of bat is called patagium. This patagium helps the fingers to stitch in and stitch out or in the movement. Okay, here wings of birds are covered by feathers and wings of bat are covered by skin folds. So they have different structures. But what is their function? The function is same. Both organs also involved in flying process. Like this, the organs which are structurally different but functionally same are called analogous organs. In analogous organs, the evolution in analogous organs is called convergent evolution. And what we can understand by looking at these two organs, can we believe that these two organs might have developed from same ancestor? No, simply not. The answer is no. These two organs are structurally completely different, so that these two organisms have not at all developed from same ancestor. Though they have not developed from same ancestor, they are having most of the similarities in function. So this is also one kind of evolution. This kind of evolution is called convergent evolution. Okay, here homologous organs, the evolution is divergent evolution, and analogous organs, the evolution is convergent evolution. These homologous and analogous organs are the best evidences for the process of evolution in organisms.